Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. If you're looking for quick and easy lunchbox recipe or any quick meal, here is my veg pulao. Very easy, very simple to make, done in 10 to 15 minutes. Let's get started. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee and 1 tablespoon of oil. Then thinly sliced onion, 1 green chili and some beans. I've added frozen carrots and peas. You can add cauliflower, bell pepper or any carrots in different forms, so any vegetables of your choice. Add 5 to 6 cashew nuts if you like, and I've added 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I've added 2 tablespoons of biryani masala. You can get any biryani masala. Squeeze some fresh lemon juice, about 1 to 2 teaspoons. Alright, so sprinkle some splash of water and then cover it for 1 to 2 minutes, and then our rice will be ready. One pro tip is just make the rice the day before or the night before, so that it's easier for you to just spread some veggies and get done with it in 10 minutes. Sprinkle some coriander and pinch of sugar and we are done with it. And in about 2 minutes, look at this beautiful fluffy veg pulao is ready. Here you go. You can also add protein as paneer, chicken or tofu. Serve it with raita, and I hope you like this quick and easy recipe. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for all your support. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.